In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your client jobs with Xero Projects. Xero Projects is a great tool for keeping track of your projects, from inception to completion, helping you manage your workflow efficiently. So, let's dive right into how you can make the most out of this powerful feature. To begin, you'll first need to access Xero Projects. At the top of your Xero dashboard, you should see a menu bar, and from there, click on Projects. This section is essentially your gateway to viewing everything related to your projects. Once you click on Projects, a menu appears, and you'll want to select All Projects. This option will lead you directly to a comprehensive list where you can view all of your ongoing, completed, or even pending projects, along with their current statuses. It's like having a digital project manager right at your fingertips, neatly organizing all your client work. Now, if you're looking to add a new project to your roster, it couldn't be easier. Just head to the top right section of this page, and you'll notice a button labeled New Project. Clicking on this will set you on the path to creating a fresh project entry. Here, you can input all essential details that pertain to your new client job, an efficient way to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Once you have your projects listed, you might want to delve into the specifics of any particular project. And for that, clicking on the project itself is the way to go. This action will open up a detailed view of the project, providing a thorough breakdown of everything you need to know. You'll get access to the project estimate, track time and expenses, and see a comprehensive list of all the details related to the project. This feature is particularly useful for keeping an eye on the financial side of things, ensuring that everything aligns with your budget and timelines. Moreover, managing your projects in Xero isn't just about viewing and tracking your tasks. You can also add or assign bills directly within a project. This means that any expenses incurred or bills that need to be managed in relation to the project can be easily handled in the same place, saving you time and streamlining your workflow tremendously. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage your client jobs using Xero Projects. By following these steps, you can ensure that your projects are organized and managed efficiently from start to finish, allowing you more time to focus on growing your business and delivering excellent service to your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in making the best use of Xero Projects.